Welcome back to the shop. Now for something completely different again. I have to swap an appliance out in the kitchen and I'm doing it by myself. So I had to make a little gadget to help me do that. So let's go in the kitchen. There's a little bit of woodworking involved, so there is some woodworking. So let's go in the kitchen and I'll describe what I'm doing and how I'm doing it and why I'm doing it. What I meant by now for something completely different again, and a kitchen short, is I have to swap out the microwave because our microwave died. Now, I wasn't going to put this on a video, but Mara thought it would be a cool idea to put it on a video because of the rig I made to get the old microwave down and the new microwave up. I'm doing this by myself, and Mara has to work. So this, let me bring the camera in closer and I'll show you what's going on here, but most of you can see what I've built. I actually was halfway through this process when she made the suggestion, so I had to jack it back up so I can show you how I'm doing this. Let me bring the camera over. As you can see here, I took a scissor jack and I fastened it to a little box I made out of plywood and 2x4s so that it wouldn't move, and so I can put it across the grill, the grate of the stove, and put it underneath the microwave. And it's kind of hard to see, but I've got a piece of plywood under there, just basically to protect the microwave bottom, which I don't really need why I need to do that. Now, what this allowed me to do is jack the microwave down. Now, you know, everybody who's done this before knows that there's a mount on the wall, and the lower corner back here of the microwave connects into that mount, and you tip it up in place and then mount through the screws in from the top up here to hold it in place. So this allowed me to jack it down, and it came down at an angle because it's still connected at the bottom, and then lift it off of the mounting bracket, and then jack it all the way down. And so let's jack it down. And there it is. So now I have to wait for Mara to get, she's in a meeting right now, and she's going to take a break and come down, and we're going to tip this off of here, and then I'm going to tip the new microwave in place. And as you can see, we have an external vent. Our microwave, our hood used to vent out to the outside, and now the microwave does. That's the best way to do it in the kitchen, so you can pull everything that you want to get off the stove, steam, smoke, whatever, and smell, out of the house. You get it out of the house. Let me show you the new microwave, which is kind of on the floor and just basically assembled and ready to go. This is a new microwave. What I have done so far is I've turned the blower motors around like you're supposed to so that it'll vent out the back. Otherwise, it just vents up or it vents out. And I didn't want it to vent out. Yeah, it's covered up. You can't see the rest of it. You know, a Lowe's special. No sponsorship, but we got it at Lowe's. So that's the new microwave that's going in place. What I'll do is, after we get the other one down, and then I'll put it on the platform, and then I'll show you me jacking up in place. But I have to clean off the back, drill the new holes for the top, and put on the new mounting bracket for the new microwave. Oh, I didn't show you all the jacking part because you kind of get it. We jacked it down, took the other one off, put this one on the platform under here, jacked it up, tipped it at an angle to get the hooks in place because it's connected from the bottom, like I said, and then flipped it up in place, jacked it tight, and threw in the top screws. That's essentially, in a nutshell, how you install an over-the-range microwave. The next trick, of course, is to take the jack out, plug it in, and try it, and clean up my mess. Of course, I made a mess in the kitchen. So, new microwave, ready to go. Let me pull the jack out, and you can get a better look at that. Ooh, so this is it. Held on with some cleats, double-sided tape, and a regular automotive scissor jack. I might keep this for other projects. Anyway, that's it for now. Quick and dirty, installing a microwave with some woodworking. I promised there was some woodworking, and here's some woodworking. So until next time, make great things out of wood.